Hook 'em in the mouth. What's going on, y'all? This your boy Charles, and I'm back for another unboxing. I don't know. Have this company here. What is it called here? Let me show y'all real quick. We got this here. It's called TOPFORT, and it's a bait knife. Y'all see that? A bait knife. If you want to be improper with your English. For all those that watch my DIY video and was commenting about how I said knife. I said knife. I know it's knife, but I said knife because that's who I is. Alright, so I'll add the ball. But anyways, they sent us this here bait knife. And you should use it for bait, but your boy is going to use it to fillet that magnificent creature right here. Y'all see him? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Oh, y'all see that? Oh yeah. Y'all know what the jig and shrimp does when we get out there, huh? Alright there. So, that's what we got going. And shit is upside down. Let's see how good this knife is. It's a bait knife, but like I said, if it's a decent knife, I should be able to fillet with it, right? Redfish got big bones and stuff. This got a serrated edge, and also got like I believe that's like a gutter. But I don't know. I always use this part. Maybe it's a line cutter. I don't know. What is it, guys? Put it in the comments. But there it is. That's the knife. Let's see what it does. We can go ahead and get this redfish together and put him on, fillet him on up and put him in some hot grease and cornmeal later. So let's go ahead and get started. Children, be careful when you're playing with knives. Have your parents around. This video isn't intended for kids anyways, so you shouldn't be watching this unless your parents is with you. So anyways, let me go ahead and get into this fork knife. Let's see if we can fillet this bad boy. Alright, now let's see this knife in action, okay? We're gonna go ahead and get him together. So let me go ahead and start filleting him. See how well this thing works. Let's see. Seems like it's pretty sharp. It's cutting. And y'all, if anybody knows about redfish, they know that their scales are tough. Their bones are very, very hard. So, that's what we got here. What I like to do is go here first. Make little cuts here. Get past them scales. That's the hard part on the redfish. But you want to get down in there, and this knife seems like it's pretty sharp, as y'all can tell. Look at it. It's cutting right on down. Go down that spine. Get right here and just kind of open him up now. Fillet him on down. Fillet him on down. Fillet him on down. Got these sharp, jagged bones right there. But we're gonna get past them rib bones. You see that? Nice sharp knife, guys. If you ever, you always want a sharp knife. It makes things a whole lot easier. And we gotta get past these rib bones, so let's use this serrated edge. It's a massacre. massa cutter. Oh. Not the greatest of filleters, but we got some meat here. And now we gotta cut through these bones. And we got one redfish on a half shell. So, get this crap out of here. A lot of people want to cut the belly meat off, but I like the belly meat. And there's a couple bones in here because your boy ain't the best filleter, but that's the one side of the redfish. Wash them off real quick. So there's one side here, and I'll fillet the rest on out here in just a second. Ooh, let's do some dissecting here. Alright, let's see what he's been eating. I'm seeing, what's that? Feels like some kind of a, so let's cut it open. What we got in here? Look at that, guys. Redfish eating stone crabs. Look, they know what's good. He took one claw off. That's one. Do I feel anything else in there? Oh, there's something else in here too. That's some more crab. That's some more stone crab. What's in here? Here's his main stomach. That looks like that's some kind of a blue crab, or yep, that's a baby blue crab. Yep, baby blue crab. Y'all see it? He's been. Is that a baby blue crab? No, you know what that is? That is a mantis shrimp. Look. He been down there chomping on mantis shrimps. That's what this is. He been eating. That's a mantis shrimp. Yep, it sure is. Look. I caught, well, Cece caught one of these today. But he's eating a mantis shrimp and stone crab. So, man, that's what the redfish like to eat, y'all. So, that's one part of him. Let's go ahead and knock this other side out. That just lets you know these guys eat all kind of stuff. They love crustaceans. That's the main thing. They love to eat some crustaceans. Alright, let's go ahead and fillet this side up. Hopefully I don't butcher him like I did the other side. But I gotta say, the knife is sharp. It actually cuts right on through. So, here we go again with this top part. Got nothing back. Got nothing back here. Keep going. Bad boy. It would be better with a fillet knife. This is a big knife, but I just want to see how good it really is. I like this bad boy. That's good. It seems like it's working out pretty good. Put in the rib. Put in the rib cage. And go. You actually see the rib cage there. So we're gonna cut through the bones. Yeah, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. But baby, baby. Ooh, baby, baby. Y'all see that? Oh, we got 2 red fishes on a half shell. 2 red fishes, or 2 fillets, and on the half shell. So, what we got here is I got the guts. We got an extra bag over here in the sink, because my wife will kill me. My wife will kill me. My wife will kill me if I leave a gigantic mess. But there she is, guys. It wasn't the greatest of fillets on this side, I'm gonna be honest. Just because your boy ain't the greatest filleter in the world. But y'all see how it's just left here. We got guts and everything. You just hanging. So we're gonna throw all this inside this bag right here. Try to make as less mess as possible. Bam. Now he's all concealed in there. And what we're gonna do is wash this half shell off. Because what I really want to do with this is grill it on the grill with some seasoning on a half shell, and you just eat it on a half shell. And then keep all this on there, and you cook it just like this. Put your seasoning on it, put it on the grill until it's done. So that's what I want to do with this bad boy. So there we go. We got this done. Get this off. Get all these little membranes off. And a lot of this can be done before you cook it, but I like to get everything off before I storing. This makes it a lot better. There we go. So we got that. We got our garbage bag. We got to rinse him off one more time. This guy, rinse him off.
Perfect.
Get all that blood off. Alright. Alright, y'all, hook them in the mouth. There it is. This is a bait knife. I'll be using it probably when tarpon season comes along, so that I can cut up my bait and stuff like that. And for whenever the bull reds start running again, be a great for cut bait. So if you catch a ladyfish, you can chop it up and chunk it and use this knife right here. So if you guys like this knife, go ahead and hit Amazon and holla at your boy. But last but not least, when you get done with everything, what you gotta do is the last and final thing is the cleanup. So as you can see, we laid down that garbage bag, which allowed us to have a clean countertop. We had a garbage bag placed inside the sink, so whenever we was filleting or doing what we was doing, we could take the waste and throw it into there. And now for the fishy smell, what I usually like to use, and this is a secret that came from my old Grandpa Hughes, and Grandpa Hughes, Grandpa Hughes, shout out to Larry Grandpa Hughes, rest in heaven. He used to tell me, you know, yeah, fish got bad smell and sometimes they stay on your hands. The best thing to use is pine salt, but we don't have any pine salt, so the next best thing is some fabuloso. So what you want to do is just pour a little bit on your hands. Get that all washed around ya. Smells good. Now what you want to do is pour a little bit in here. All up inside your sink. All up inside the sink. Kind of wash it out. Now, you can do this with a rag if you like, but this was already clean and it wasn't dirty. I'm just showing you for purposes of what you could do to keep that fish smell down. So you know your boy's a fisherman. I always have fish in the house, and there ain't no way that I'm gonna have my house smell like stank ass fish. Alright, so but that helps you get that all off, get that scent off so you don't smell like a stinking ass fish. Rinse all that off, and damn, there you go. Look, it didn't take too long. We're done. And turn the camera to cameraman. Turn it to yourself. Turn it to yourself. How does the kitchen smell?
Good. It smells really good.
Does it smell like fish?
No.
And what's your name?
Kai?
Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
Florida BFF.
So everybody go ahead and subscribe. Everybody go ahead and subscribe to Florida BFF. That is my daughter. She does have children-friendly videos. So if you got any children, go ahead and go to her channel and tell them to look her up. She's got a lot of different stuff. Actually, her channel, she's got a couple viral videos. I ain't even got one. So it is what it is. Y'all look out for my daughter. And next time you guys on Amazon, check out TOPFORT. And I guess that's it. You guys take care.
Perfect.
Hook 'em in the mouth. Look at your boy.